Marvel! Marvel! Yes, come to know this place as St. Barriers Creek, Beaver Water. Quarter-mile Beaver Water. Bear Claw Raisin. And St. Barriers Creek Tree. A lone white pine. I embrace this tree every time I come by her. Hey, hey, oh, oh, hey, oh, oh, hey, St. Barriers Creek, oh, St. Barriers Creek, St. Barriers Creek, and his sister, his bear claw sister, St. Barriers Creek Tree. These are my fellow earth protectors, my fellow eco activists, earth protectors, big spirits, as our First Nations friends say. Medicine. Big spirits, medicine. Medicine, medicine, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey. These, the earth protectors, these, the eco superheroes for a third millennium. Hey, hey,